Hi friends, today I am talking about National Bird Day. The National Bird does not have a long history with respect to the celebrated since 2002. The day's importance was called due to the rapid decrease in the few species of birds. So the day was started to bring awareness of the unfriendly activities that could harm the birds. The main aim of observing a day for the bird is to save them from getting extinct. It is essential to tell the importance of birds to the future generation. It would be amazing to make the children participate in different activities conducted on National Bird Day. Birds love nature. But if you are a bird cover and would like to cage it in the best environment, you can adopt a bird.